this is your favorite teacher here, Malaika, with my 15 minutes beginner Samba dance class, which is part of a series of 8 videos going from beginner to advanced. Before we get started, you know what to do, right? Hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit the bell too, so you know when we drop new videos. Would be great if you leave us a comment, and please like the video and share it. And thank you so much for all the video that you're tagging us in. Let me know that you're doing the dance. Also, check out our channel for more classes: hip-hop, yoga, salsa, belly dance, pilates, African dance, Afrobeat, and more. Let's samba, baby, bora!
Starting with your right, and then your left. Right, we go right, left together. Left, right together. Right, left together. Left, right together. Again, right and left. 2 more. Right and left and right and left. Very good, you guys. Remember, if the arms are too challenging, you can go back to video 1 and 2 where we decompose the move even further. Let's do that a little bit faster, putting the movement together. Just like this. We're going 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You go right, left, right. Left, right, left. Again, right, left, right. Yes. Keep going. Make sure you smile. Again. Don't forget those hips. Good. Right and left. Right, left. Again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1 and 2. Beautiful. Let's put that on some music, all right? We're going to go slow first and then speed it up. We'll do it front and then all around. Ready, you guys? Make sure you're standing up. Invite your neighbors, your husband. Shake it. Breathe. Feel the music. Good. 5, 6, 7. Let's start slow. And 1. Good. Again. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Yes. Good. Moving those hips and smiling. Good. Beautiful. Let's go to the right. Moving around. Keeping you basic and smiling. Beautiful. Go back. Yep. Yes. And to your right again. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right. And left. And right. And left. And looking forward. Nice. Now, can we speed it up? Yes? Let's take a break. Breathe here. What about we walking around? Let's walk around, feeling the music, smiling, clap your hands. And again, guys, remember, if this is too fast, what we're about to do, just skip the slow part, okay? Just slow. And if you can do it, we'll go fast. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Good. Beautiful. Don't forget to smile. Nice. Can we go to our right? Let's go. 8. Beautiful. And 1, 2, 3. Let's go back. Yes. To our right again. Beautiful. And front. Don't stop. Yes. And 5, 6, 7. Now pause. Nice. Remember our beautiful, strong samba pose. So now, we work on our basic. We're already sweating a little bit. Let's go over the first part of the choreography, okay? So remember that contratempo that we worked on, which is the N1. Okay, it's like you go but you don't go. So you start with your right leg back, right, left, together. Okay, this is what we're doing. Right, left, together. And 1, together. And 1, together. Beautiful. Now let's add our 2 steps, okay? And 1, 2, 3. Cool? Let's do that again. And 1, 2, 3. Yes? One more time. And 1, 2, 3. Together. Pretty easy, right? Let's do that one more time. And 1, 2, 3. Together. Go back. 2 more times. And 1, 2, 3. Together. And last time. And 1, 2, 3. Together. Beautiful. Did you get it? I'm sure you did. So now, let's do the first part and going back with our samba basic. Just like this. And 1, 2, 3. Together. Go back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember that? Again. And 1, 2, 3. Together. And 4. Good. Again. And 1, 2, 3. Together. Go back. Yes. Last one. And 1, 2, 3. Together. Go back. Beautiful, you guys. Now remember, in the first video, I was adding a little bit flavor in the first step, okay? So let's try to add this. And 1. And our beautiful walk, keeping our feet together. Yes? Let's make this 2 more times, and then we'll add the music, okay? Ready? 5, 6, 7, let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3. Together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful, you guys. So now, we're gonna add the music. We'll start by a full samba, counting 8 times, and we'll add this part, okay? Before you start, guys, breathe, feel the music, move freely, shake it if you want. Yes, clap your hands, and we'll go. You guys ready? Yes? I want to hear you. You ready? Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, go back. 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, go back. 5. Again. And 1, 2, 3, back. 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, back. Last one. And 1, 2, 3, 4, back. Good. Don't stop moving. Keep moving and breathing. Yes? Can you walk around a little bit? Let's walk around. Walking around and smiling. Breathing. All right. We're gonna do that 3 more times, but I will not be counting. Okay? I will just count so we start, and then we go 3 times in a row. You count in your head. You guys ready? Hiya. Breathe. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Last one. 1, 5, 8. Go back. Find your samba pose. Hey. Samba pose. Beautiful, you guys. All right. I think that we all deserve a little bit of water. So let's go. Grab your bottle of water. Towel off if you need to. Whew. I hope that everything is making sense so far. You guys are doing great. Please put your hands together for yourself. And everyone around the world waiting it out. Yes! All right, let's go again. So, guys, We reviewed the part that we practiced in video 1. Now let's go in the part we practiced in video 2. Again, if it's too much, too fast, you guys don't hesitate to go back, all right? And then watch the other videos. So, the next step was a rond de jambe. Remember that circle on the floor. So let's break that down. We go with our left, 1, with our right, 2. All right? Let's do that again. 1, 2. Okay? 2 more times. Don't forget to bend that leg, that base leg here. You go 1, 2. Beautiful. Now you're going to go up on your right leg. Up and up on your left. Left. Okay? Again. 7, 8. 1, 2. Up, up, and down. Again. 7, 8. Round, round. Up, up, forward. Again. 7, 8. Left, right. Right, left, right. Let's do that again. Breathe, take your time, and we go. Left, right, 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 right. I did it again. Right, left, right. So it's a little confusing because we're doing 2 times with our right. Right. We're going left, right, and then you step. So it's another right. Right, left, right. Okay? We'll do that a few more times, and then we'll do only this part with the music. You guys ready? Yes? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, remember the and 4, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cool? Let's do only this with the music, then we'll add up. Breathe. Feel the music, feel the drum. Yes? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I know it's fast. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 more times. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You know what's coming next, you guys? You know what's coming next? Yes? Right here. This motion here. All right? So that's pretty easy. So let's do that again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Again. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cool? Now let's add our little rebola. Remember the rebola? Going back. Going back. And don't forget that leg motion. Going down and up. Going down and up. Beautiful. Keep going here. Let's do a few more so we can also take a little break, right? It's like a nice time to breathe. Moving that hip front and back or back and front. Yes? 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Let's put this step together. Okay? Starting from our rond de jambe or round on the floor, and then finishing here with the hip. You guys ready? So, actually, before we do that, let's do that again, but with the music. And the same way we did last video, we're gonna do one side, and then we're gonna work on the other side, okay? Just for fun, even if it's not on the choreography, just to see what side's better. You guys ready?
Woo!
5.
That was a workout, guys. Great job, you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification button. I will see you in my next video. Thank